We have some breaking and imminent news for cryptocurrencies. Tomorrow, it is very likely that the Bitcoin ETF, which has already been approved, will be fully live. When this happens and people see that it's fully live, it's going to be published all over. It's going to be on every news station, every news article. And this could potentially cause a massive surge again to push up Bitcoin to the all-time highs and cryptocurrencies as well to push them up higher. So tomorrow is going to be an absolutely monumental and historical day for cryptocurrencies. A Bitcoin ETF is going to pave the way for future Bitcoin ETFs, eventually Ethereum ETFs, and then altcoin index ETFs. This is absolutely huge, and if this goes well tomorrow, there's going to be a bunch of other ETFs that will be approved this very month and the next coming months, and that will only push up cryptocurrencies like crazy. So tomorrow there's some very big things happening, but also in the charts there are some crazy things that I need to show you for our favorite altcoins, for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and much more. So make sure you watch this video to the very end. You cannot miss what I have in this video for you today. What's up, Myles? It is ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss these absolutely time-sensitive videos where I call out huge plays way before they happen. Make sure you also smash up the like button to an all-time high if you love cryptocurrencies, and let me know in the comments below, do you think tomorrow, do you think this week is going to be a very green week? Do you think we could beat the all-time highs for Bitcoin? Let me know what you think down in the comments below. But if you want to get access to when I'm buying and selling cryptocurrencies, I give daily trade alerts in my Patreon. Join my Patreon right now for only $10 a month. The link will be in my video description below, where I have a 5,000 member Discord included with your membership. And there's also memberships within the Patreon where you can talk to me on the phone. I can build you a portfolio, meaning that we can talk about your portfolio, see what things that we need to change and move around, because this time period is very critical to have the best portfolio allocation set up in this bull run, because we are having Bitcoin, we're having Ethereum taking up the show, and the altcoins are doing much. So we need to get exposure, a greater exposure to Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then the altcoins, and then we need to be switching it up here soon, because Bitcoin season does not last forever, and then the altcoins start to pop off. So we need to know when to change, when to move things around. Let's go ahead and dive straight into the content. So the SEC approves a Bitcoin futures ETF, opening crypto to wider investor base. This is exactly why this is very good for Dogecoin holders, for Shiba Inu holders, for XRP, whatever cryptocurrency you hold, especially if it's a good project like some of the ones I just mentioned. This is going to be very good for your cryptocurrency. It might not directly affect the price right now, but in the next coming months, when the altcoin season hits, which is likely to happen towards December, January, sometime in that period, when the Bitcoin dominance starts to go down and the altcoins start to pop off, this is going to be very good, because what happens is people take their Bitcoin profits after it's pumped up a lot, which is going to be doing right now and in the next couple of weeks, and that's happening right now. They take their Bitcoin profits, put into the altcoins, then the altcoins reach a top, then they put it back into Bitcoin. It's constantly switching back and forth. Bitcoin season, altcoin season. Because even in bear markets, even when things are trading sideways and not doing much, there's some cryptocurrencies that do very well at all times. So you have to constantly, which I do for you, figure out which cryptos are best. And in addition to this, why this is also good for the cryptocurrency market, there's a lot of people who only want their money on their Fidelity account or E-Trade, where they have millions of dollars or however much money, and they don't want to be sending money to another platform that they don't use or are not familiar with. They like to keep their money in one place. I mean, I like to keep my money in one place if it's possible, but there's lots of people who want to get access to Bitcoin who can't get it because they don't want to move their money off of their platform. This is some of the older investors, a lot of the people who've been shy from Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, who've been kind of hesitant to invest in cryptocurrencies, but this is going to give people confidence that it's traded on the stock market. You can get into these Bitcoin futures just in the stock market alone without having to open up a Coinbase account. The Bitcoin futures market is a $6 trillion industry, which means that there's going to be potentially $6 trillion, a minimum at the start. It's not going to be directly right then and there, but $6 trillion to be poured effectually and in time into cryptocurrencies, and Bitcoin especially. The money first has to start coming into Bitcoin, and then it flows to Ethereum, and then it starts flowing to Cardano and all these other altcoins. That's how the crypto ecosystem works. The money is constantly flowing back and forth, Bitcoin to Ethereum to the altcoins and back and forth. So Bitcoin price eyes all-time high weekly close above the $60,000 ahead of Bitcoin futures ETF turbulence. So what we actually saw is, I don't know if any of you noticed this, but this chart right here. This is the crypto market cap for Bitcoin. Bitcoin market cap reached an all-time high. It touched the all-time high by the wick just the other day when Bitcoin pumped up because of the news of the Bitcoin futures ETF. This is a very, very good sign that we are headed up much further. And look at Bitcoin, and these cryptocurrencies have recovered very, very fast, and they're coming back with a vengeance. And as you notice, ever since Bitcoin broke above $40,000 just a couple of weeks ago, ever since we bottomed out, I believe it was like 38,000, give or take. Ever since we bottomed out, we have not had a single red day at all. I will show you briefly. Look at this. This is the daily time frame. We are now on the 17th of October. Every single day in this month, starting from September 30th, has been green. Every single day has been green, and it is not stopping. The trend is your friend until the very end. It is an old term that we always know. When something is constantly going up and up and up and up consistently, you know that it's most likely going to continue to go up. There might be little dips, there might be little pullbacks, but even if I go to a smaller time frame, look at this. The pullbacks that we are getting for cryptos, especially Bitcoin at this very level, is not much at all. Look at this. We pump up and just consolidate, right? We pump up, consolidate before pumping up. It's just this continuous pattern that's playing out over and over again. And this is very good. That means there's nobody selling. If the price pumps up and just kind of trades sideways, nobody is selling. They're holding. These people do not want to sell. That is a very, very bullish sign. When there's less volatility, it means that the market is extremely bullish. The less volatile, the more money and the more bullish it is, especially when we are pumping up to great degrees. That shows you the strength of the market. And especially there's the stock market's going down. There's all this FUD, there's all this fear and things everywhere, but Bitcoin is continuing to go up and up and up. It shows you that not only are the things that I just mentioned true, but it shows you that people are starting to leave gold, they're starting to leave the stock market to get into Bitcoin as a hedge against this inflation that we are fighting right now. But remember, none of this is financial advice, it's just only my opinion. And if you want a great platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu, use my WEBULL link in my video description below. If you sign up right now and deposit $100, they will send you 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000. Okay, let's go ahead and get back into this. So what we are seeing right now, the charts is just very, very bullish stuff, right? The technicals are very, very bullish. The news that is happening right now is very, very bullish. But let me explain to you this. Okay, so this is the altcoin season index, where we can see the Bitcoin season, we can see the altcoin season, and what we are seeing particularly right now is that we are in Bitcoin season. And now, what is Bitcoin season? What is altcoin season? I have mentioned it before, but it's basically when Bitcoin is outperforming the altcoins, and also that the greater market share is going in directly into Bitcoin. So altcoin season says right here, if top 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over the last season, which is 90 days, it is altcoin season. But look at this, the top 50 performers of cryptocurrencies the last 30 days, Bitcoin is the number 4 spot. Of course, we have Shiba Inu, then Axie Infinity, FTM, and then we have Bitcoin at the number 4 spot. When Bitcoin is one of the best performers of the last 30 days, that tells you something. That tells you, especially as we understand what's happening to Bitcoin right now, who's buying Bitcoin, where it's headed, that we want to be getting into Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin has outperformed Ethereum by nearly 3 times. Ethereum is up only like 11%, 13%, and Bitcoin is up over 30%. Very, very interesting to see. And look, there's actually coins in the negative. The last 30 days have gone down. Dogecoin just on the cusp of that. There's a Chainlink, we have Theta, we have Algorand, Ethereum Classic, Cardano. Look, a lot of these really good cryptos that have a huge future are down the last 30 days. Does that mean it's over with because they've gone down for 30 days? No, a lot of the coins that are down right now and aren't going to be moving for the next 30 to 60 days are ones that have pumped up a lot. The coins that pump up a lot and the ones that have done so recently, generally and statistically, they end up having a cool-off period. They have their little bear markets. That's what happens when something pumps up a lot. That's the bull market, and then it crashes down. It consolidates, it trades sideways, it goes down. That's the bear market for that particular crypto. Then it starts to head back up. Any good crypto project has bear markets and bull markets. They're all not the same as Bitcoin. They're all not the same as each other. And not every altcoin is hitting its peak during altcoin season. They all have their different altcoin seasons as well. But a lot of the altcoins are closely tied to each other. The ones in kind of like the ERC20 tokens, like the Ethereum coins or the Binance coins, a lot of them, they do kind of perform together. So that's also something to be taking a look at. So we do have a lot of cryptocurrencies that have not performed very well the last 30 days, but look at Cardano. Cardano was breaking all-time highs, hitting over $3 while most cryptos were going down. So you see it, that there's certain periods and times where some cryptos go up and some cryptos go down. You want to understand the cryptos that are going up, ride that train for a little bit, and then switch it to find the cryptos that have been consolidating, the ones with good projects, good futures. Start investing into those, and then they'll pop off, and then you take your profits, put it somewhere else. Or you can just buy one thing. You can buy a multitude of things, just hold it for long term. You'll be winning either way, especially if it's a good project. So live coin watch, what we were saying the last 24 hours, you were seeing Bitcoin down 0.7%, Ethereum down 2%, Cardano down 2%, XRP down 3%. In the top 10, we're not seeing any green. On the last 7 days, we do see Bitcoin up 10%, Ethereum up 7%, Binance coin up 11%, Polkadot up 15%. Polkadot is one of those coins that we've been buying for a very long time. So that's also a good crypto project to get involved into. Look at Shiba Inu, the last 30 days up 200%, and the last 90 days up 300%. So Shiba Inu out of the top 10, look at Solana is actually beating it. The last 90 days, Solana pumped up 552% even after being at $158 from being over $200. So Solana has done very well in the last 90 days. So looking at the Bitcoin chart, what we are seeing here is very bullish, and I would bet my money that Bitcoin is going to make a huge move here very soon. But let me show you this on the chart, because we want to take a look at Bitcoin to see what's actually happening in the whole crypto market. How bullish is Bitcoin right now? Well, Bitcoin is forming this bullish flag. Look at this. We've seen this pattern over and over again. Look, a nice bullish flag. But look at this. From the top of the wicks, we have this descending triangle pattern, which means that the price is getting boxed into this very little corner here, which means, hey, we may get a breakout here very, very soon. It might start happening in a couple of hours. It might happen tonight. It might happen tomorrow. But the Bitcoin ETF could be also a buy the rumor, sell the news event. You know, tomorrow we might actually see, even though it's good news and good stuff happening, we might actually see a little bit of a pullback in the crypto market. Maybe specifically Bitcoin and the altcoins can go up because the event has happened, but there's going to be a bunch of more ETFs to be announced and stuff. So when the market is very, very bullish, buy the rumor, sell the news is not very effective. It's not very common to see, but based on our pattern that we've gone up 18 days in a row, give or take, probably more than that, 18 days in a row. And based on this pattern that we continue to form these bullish flags, get pushed in this little pattern, low volatility, low volume, trade sideways, we usually get massive breakouts. So I am expecting a massive breakout for Bitcoin here very soon. I'm thinking it could happen tomorrow. Ethereum is also looking quite bullish. Nothing wrong to see here, but look at this. The Bitcoin dominance is reaching this level of resistance. There is some difficulty. This is very strange. Look at this. Every time we come up to this Bitcoin dominance, there's people trying to pull the Bitcoin dominance down by selling Bitcoin and so forth, buying altcoins. So it's very interesting to see and notice this chart, the Bitcoin dominance chart. This is how we see if it's Bitcoin season or altcoin season or so forth. We're getting very close to breaking this level. If we do break this level, the altcoins may bleed out. I don't know what's going to happen to the altcoins in the next 60 days. I believe the altcoins will go up, especially that they will follow Bitcoin. They're just not going to follow Bitcoin as strongly. So the Bitcoin dominance is looking like it's about to break up, because look at the volatility is getting shorter and shorter and shorter. And we've seen this many times before. It's about to break out. When this starts to break out, Bitcoin will start to break out. Bitcoin will start to make some massive moves. So a lot of these altcoins are trading sideways. They're not really doing much. Shiba Inu is actually looking fine. XRP, Solana, a lot of these altcoins are not really doing much, and they're at a significant discount. Look at Cardano, $2.14, huge discount from all-time highs. We were $3.14, I believe, for all-time highs. So over $3, give or take. So these altcoins are getting really cheap. You definitely want to be scooping up some of these altcoins while they are cheap before the altcoin season starts. So everything else is looking totally fine, just looking normal and healthy. The market is very bullish. That's all that matters. But there's going to be coins that are going to be outperforming others, and I believe the ones that are going to be outperforming is Bitcoin and Ethereum, at least for the immediate short term. And then here soon, our coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, XRP, Solana, a lot of our favorite altcoins, they will have their day very soon. So continue to have patience with diamond hands, and we will be rewarded. Make sure to join my Patreon if you want to get access to those trade alerts. You want to talk to me on the phone, we can build you a portfolio. The link will be in my video description below, and I will see you all later.